if you're running a business and you're not tracking how your customers feel about their support experience, you're just flying blind. You could be delivering 5-star service or slowly losing trust with every unanswered ticket. And without clear data, you'd never know until it's too late. That's where Zendesk Analytics comes in. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to track customer satisfaction step by step, plus how you can actually use those insights to improve the way you support your customers. Let's get into it. So first off, what is Zendesk? Zendesk is a customer support platform that helps you manage every conversation with your customers, whether it comes through email, live chat, or social media, all in one place. So instead of bouncing between Gmail, Instagram DMs, and a website chat tool, Zendesk brings everything into a shared workspace where you can track, respond, and organize every single message without confusion. At its core, Zendesk is built to help you deliver better customer service. Whether you're answering product questions, handling returns, troubleshooting tech issues, or just staying connected with your customers, Zendesk makes it faster, easier, and more consistent. But it's not just a glorified inbox. Zendesk gives you structure. Each customer message gets turned into a ticket with a status, a history, and a clear record of who handled it. You can assign tickets to specific team members, add internal notes, and see a full timeline of what was said and when. It also connects directly with your website and social platforms, so customers can reach you however they want, and you can reply from one central spot without missing a beat. And on top of that, Zendesk has powerful reporting and analytics built in. It doesn't just help you respond, it helps you measure how well you're doing. So if you're a founder or a small team looking to scale your support without the chaos, Zendesk gives you the tools to do that and the clarity to keep improving as you grow. So before we get into the demo and how you can actually use this tool and reviewing the analytics, let's go over some of the key features. First off, the customer satisfaction survey itself. Zendesk can automatically send a 1-question survey to your customers as soon as a ticket is marked as solved. It's a simple good or bad rating, but customers can also leave a written comment if they want to explain their score. This makes it really easy to collect feedback without annoying people or overwhelming them with a long form. Next is the satisfaction dashboard. This is where you can see all of your data in one place. You'll find your overall satisfaction score, the number of responses received, and your ratio of positive to negative ratings. It's all visual, so no spreadsheets or complicated setup required. You can also drill down into agent level satisfaction data. So if you've got multiple people handling support, whether it's a team or just you and a virtual assistant, you can see who's getting the highest ratings, where follow-up training might help, or who's consistently delivering great service. Zendesk also gives you trend reports. So this shows you how your satisfaction score is changing over time. If you've made changes to your macros, updated your help articles, or added live chat, this is where you'll see whether those changes actually improve the customer experience. And one of the most important features is the ability to review the actual tickets behind the ratings. You can click into any survey result and read the full conversation that led to that score. So if you're trying to improve your service, this is where you'll find the real gold. Specific replies, tones, timing, and how customers reacted. Overall, Zendesk doesn't just show you that a rating happened, it shows you the why behind it and gives you the tools to adjust. Now, let's get into how to track customer satisfaction in Zendesk. Okay, so to get signed up, make sure you use our link in the description below and we'll click try for free. What you will have to do is enter in your email address, create a password, answer a couple other questions. So I'll give you a quick overview of what the ticketing looks like and then we'll go into the analytics just so you're aware. So this is your home screen. So this is where all of your tickets are going to come in. And just a reminder, tickets can be anything from email to website chat to Instagram. So it all is going to funnel into one place. If you want, you can go ahead and filter here and then filter by status. Essentially, if you want to click into a ticket, you see here, you can see the requester. So who put in the ticket, who it's assigned to. Again, if you have a team, you can assign to somebody else. And then if other agents need to be followers on this specific ticket, just so they are aware. And then you can also do the type, if it's a question, incident, problem, task, and what the priority is. Again, even the topic. So you can decide how detailed you want to be with all of this tracking. But I just say this because the more detailed you are with this, the better your analytics are going to be. And then in here, you can just reply publicly, or you can write an internal note or do a call. And even within here too, you can add notes to specific customers as well. You also can add a side conversation here too. So again, when you go to reply, you also of course can add emojis, attachments, and links and stuff like that. But then when you submit, you want to make sure you are putting open, in progress, pending, solved, because again, all of this is going into the analytics to see how long it took you to solve certain tickets or what your typical response time is. So you want to make sure you're using all of these tools. Okay, so that is the meat and potatoes of how it works. And again, you want to make sure you're creating a system and using it so the analytics are even better. here. And then again, this is just a way to see inquiries, so you can see what's unsolved, what are unassigned tickets, etc. This is where all your customers live, all your organizations, and then we'll go to reporting. So Zendesk Analytics is now powered by Explore, so we'll go ahead and click Take Me to Explore. So now you can see this is what the analytics looks like. So as you can see tickets, you can see efficiency, assignee activity, agent updates, unsolved tickets, backlogs, satisfaction, and SLAs. And within here, you can see so much information. So this is tickets created by date and selected attribute top 10. So you can see if it's coming from email, messaging, or web, and on each date. You also can filter here, by time. If you want to change that, you can see ticket group, ticket brand. So again, you can filter by all of these. But here you can see there's over 24,000 tickets. Here are the unsolved tickets. Here are the solved, one touch tickets, and reopen tickets. So again, there's so much analytics in here. But again, you want to make sure you're using Zendesk and creating a system so all of this information is actually accurate. Then you can see average tickets created by end of week, tickets created by date. And then under the efficiency tab, you can see first time reply medium. This is how long customers generally wait before getting their first response. So again, this just gives you so much information, and all this information is just great to see who needs more training, what agent is doing the best, and how to make decisions based on actual data rather than just flying blind. So now this chart is a breakdown of how long before an issue is fully resolved. And then here you can see again, first reply and assignment time, medium over time. So you can see how you're improving over time. Again, there's just tickets by agents reply brackets, ticket by group stations bracket, agent reply averages and resolutions over time. So you can see again, if you're improving and if you are not. So all of this is just real data. Then you can schedule reports. So how often do you want to receive this report? Maybe it's every single Monday, and maybe you want it as an Excel, and we can click submit, and then you can open the attachment right here. And so you can see it again, delivered to your inbox every single day. And then again, of course, you can go into other things like unsolved tickets, backlog, satisfaction, SLA. So there's so much information on here. And the point of all this is so you can make data-driven decisions based on all of these analytics. Now, I wanted to quickly show you the different plans and pricing options. And to make sure you're getting the best price possible, use our link in the description and make sure you're using the annual plan. If you want to pay monthly, you also can go ahead and do that. But to save that 20%, you want to be on the annual. So first off, they have the support team, and this is just $19 a month per agent if you pay annually. With this, you get the ticketing system, the email, the contact form, Facebook and X, unified agent workspace across all channels, customer detail and conversation history, predefined responses and macros, custom business roles with triggers and automations, and so much more. Next is the suite team, and this is $55 per agent per month billed annually. With this, you get everything that's in the team, but you also get AI agents, customer and internal knowledge base, things like Google Analytics, proactive messaging to customers, as well as text messaging. Next is the suite professional, and this is $115 per agent per month billed annually. With this, you get everything that's in the suite team, but you also get live and custom analytics, things like side conversations, service level agreements, multiple ticket forms, business hours, HIPAA enabled, data location options, and multilingual support and content, and even more. Lastly, they do have a suite enterprise, and you do have to talk directly with sales, but with this, you get everything that's in professional, but you also get things like a sandbox to test out features, custom agents, content blocks, audit logs, up to 300 help centers, and even more. So they've got a lot of different options for you. If you want to check them out with the free trial, again, that link is in the description for you. So that wraps up this video, and that's how you can track customer satisfaction with Zendesk Analytics. It's not complicated, but it gives you real insights into how your support is performing and what your customers actually think. When you know how they're feeling, you can fix problems faster, improve your systems, and make sure your business keeps delivering an experience people want to come back to. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping founders and small teams find smart, simple tools to grow your business without burning out. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for being here, and I will catch you in the next video.